Welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on a head wrap for us naturals. My hair is natural, it's just straightened right now. It's been straightened for about 2 weeks now, so it's a bit old and frizzy, but I still try to maintain it as best as I can because I don't want to have to restyle it yet. But a day like today, if I don't want to do anything to it, I can just quickly pull my hair back, put on a head scarf or a head wrap, and still look put together. So I have two head wraps. This is one, it's infinity scarf. These aren't even meant for head wraps, but that's what I use them for. Same for this one. And just infinity meaning that there's no end to it. Some scarves you can get have two ends. So I'll just pull my hair back. And this does not have to be perfect whatsoever. Just a simple bun in the back. You might not want to put it too tight because when you put your head scarf on, it's going to get a little tighter. And since my hair gets a little dry at times, I like to put on the satin scarf over that just to protect my hair. If you're using a satin wrap, then you can skip this whole step. But I don't have any. Like I said, these scarves aren't even intended for head wraps. So if you have a seam like my scarf has a little seam here. So you can choose to hide that and put it towards the back, or mine's a Nike scarf, so I kind of like to show it. So what I do is I put the scarf on. Now if you're deep conditioning or you have twists in that haven't dried all the way, you might want to just not expose any of your hair. So you'll pull it down to your liking. And in the back, you want to make sure to just wrap the excess scarf around your bun. And it's nice and tight. So you can choose to leave it there and tuck away any extra pieces. So that was two ways you could do that. Like I said, expose some of your hair or not, just depending on your level of comfort, and then just go from there. So the second way will be like a top knot. I'm not gonna do it with the satin scarf this time just because it's optional anyway. So this one, you're gonna just try to get your hair all on the top and put it in a bun. And again, it does not have to be perfect. And for that purpose, I'm gonna make sure it's not perfect. So super messy. Number two, same thing. I'm gonna put the seam right down the middle. Put my head through. Now you just want to make sure you tuck your hair in. And then wrap all the excess around the bun. As best as you can. And then a little extra here you can just tuck away. So now you have a top knot. And then again, you can keep it down further or pull it back. And then you got a cute little top knot. I wear this a lot of times to work. I work 3 days a week, 12 hours. So I like to not have to bother my hair every single day. That's a lot of time to be dealing with your hair. If I wore my hair down at work like this, I will probably come home with a huge frizz. So instead of that, you can just choose to use a head wrap. And a lot of times my hair is in this curly state, and I really don't want to mess with that every morning before work. I literally go to work at 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., which usually turns into 6:30 p.m. So no one wants to be fooling with their hair at work. So that's why I like to do a little head wrap. My uniform is gray, so it matches. You can pick any scarf. You can do satin scarves. You can do regular scarves. If you had a scarf that wasn't an infinity, you can just do the same tip, wrap it around, but then with the excess scarf, you'll just tuck instead of wrapping like a hair tie. So I can pull it out a little bit if I don't want to look like I have absolutely no hair. And you could just be on the way. Super easy. You just gotta play with the hair tie a little bit, the scarf a little bit, so you can get used to tightening it around your bun. But there's really no wrong way to do it, honestly. And I'll try to do it at the top for this scarf as well. Just get your hair in a bun again. This is the base of the top knot. If you don't have a top knot, sometimes they sell those miniature buns that you can buy, and just set it right on top of your head and wrap it around. I've seen girls do that. I've seen people roll up a sock and use a sock bun. We are women, we are creative, we will make it work one way or another. But that way you'll have a nice little thick base to start with. My hair is a lot thinner when it's straight, so my bun is usually a lot thicker when I have my hair in a curly state. So that's why I'm struggling a little bit more, but still wanted to show you guys that it still can work. Thanks for watching, guys. Come back for more. I'll do straight to curly routine. If you have any other questions, if you have video suggestions, just drop them below. I'm always looking for comments. I'm very new, so let's grow together. So come back and grow with me.